with side angle side again, and then we will be drawing the angle bisector. So let's proceed. So here is question number 2 of the, this is part B, so this is question number 2, and in part A I have discussed question number 1. So here the question says that construct a triangle ABC such that AB is 9.4 centimeter, AC is 8.8 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 degrees. So we need to measure and write down the size of the angle facing the shortest side. After that we need to construct the angle bisector of BAC, and then we need to extend that line to cut BC, and we will name that point S, and then we need to measure the length of CS. So this is case B, which is side angle side, and I have explained you earlier what is case A, what is case C. So now here we are with case B. So I have written the data, that is AB is 9.4 centimeter, AC is 8.8 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 degrees. So first of all, let's construct this. First of all, let's look at the steps of construction, then we will be looking at the construction on the piece of paper. So first of all, we will draw the line segment of 9.4 centimeter, when we will name it AB. Then we will place a protector at 60 degrees and at point B, and we will mark the angle 60 degrees. After that we will extend that line from B and meeting that point at 60 degrees and extended that line, and after that we will be putting the compass at point A and making an arc of 8.8 centimeter, cutting that extended line. Then we will join A and C. After that, in part 2, we will be constructing the angle bisector of BAC, and then we will be extending that line to cut BC, and we will name it point S. So let's look at how to do that. So I'm here with the data of question number 2, which was AB is 9.4 centimeter, AC is 8.8 centimeter, ABC is 60 degrees, and then we first, in the first part, we need to measure the angle facing the shortest side. What I mean by that, when I will draw it, I will show you the what it says and how we need to do that. And then we need to calculate CS, and for that we need to make S as well, which is the second part, that draw the angle bisector of BAC. So first of all, let us draw this triangle which has two sides and one angle given. So we will follow the steps we did earlier, as two angles and two sides and one angle was given. So we will place our scale here, and we need to draw 9.4 centimeters. So 9.4 centimeter is drawn now, and it is A B, which is 9.4 centimeters. Now we need to make the angle. First of all, we make a baseline, then we make an angle. So making this angle, which is 60 degrees, so we will keep our protector at B, keeping the cross at B. Then the baseline is on the left hand side, so outer 0, and we need to make 60 degrees, which is somewhere here. Then we will extend this B and this 60 degree mark with a line. After this, what we need to do is, this is done, and we need to now draw AC 8.8 centimeters. So we will open up our compass till 8.8 centimeters. This is 8.8. This is now 8.8. No, this is 7.8. We need to extend it. This is 8.8. So now this is 8.8 and we will keep it at A and we will make C. So we will keep it at A, make an arc cutting this extended line, and where it cuts, this is point C. Now we will join this C and A to complete our triangle. Now this angle was 60 degrees. This is 8.8 centimeter long, and this was the data given, and this is the triangle we obtained. Now we need to measure the measure the angle facing the shortest side, and first of all we need to see which side is the shortest. This is 9.4 centimeter, this is 8.8 centimeter, and we don't know this one. So firstly we will place our scale here and measure it out how much it is. So it is here, it is 7.8. This is 7.8 centimeters. So now we can see that which is the shortest one, 8.8 centimeter, 9.4 centimeter, or 7.8 centimeter. So 7.8 centimeter is the shortest one, and we need to calculate the angle facing the shortest side. So this angle is facing this side, and this is the shortest side. So we need to measure this angle, which is A. So we will keep our protector here, and 0 is inside, and we can measure it, that it is 50 degrees. So this is 50 degrees, and we can name it BAC is 50 degrees, as angle on which we have the alphabet on which we have angle will be in the center. This is 50 degrees. After that, moving to the second part, we need to measure CS. Now C is present but S is not present. Now how we will obtain S? We will construct the angle bisector of BAC as stated in question, that BAC, this is B, A and C. We need to bisect this angle 50 into 2 equal halves. And how we will going to do that? We will open up the compass of any desired radius. We will keep it at A, and we will make an arc cutting both the lines, which is AC and BC. Now where it cuts, here and here, now with the same radius I will keep it at this cut point, and I will keep it here and mark an arc. After that I will keep it at the other point where it cuts, and I will cut this previous arc. Now you can see that it is cut. Now this point and this point, we need to connect these points and extend the line. Now this angle bisector, where this angle bisector meets BC, this point, this particular point is known as S. And what we need to calculate. It was given in the question that we need to calculate CS. So which is written here, CS. This is C, this is S, and we need to calculate how this measurement is, how much this is. We can place our scale here, and we need to measure it here, and this is 3.9 centimeters. So CS is 3.9 centimeter, which is the answer of the second part. So this is how we will obtain a triangle with two sides and one angle given. Then we will measure the angle facing the shortest side, that was 7.8, is that is 50 degrees. Then we will draw an angle bisector of BAC and extend a line to cut BC and name it S. Then we will measure CS, which was the question which the examiner wanted us to answer. So after the construction, we have obtained this triangle, that is AB of length 9.4 centimeter, AC is 8.8 centimeter, and angle B is 60 degrees. So the first part required us that we need to measure BAC. So we have measured it as 50 degrees. After that, we have made the angle bisector of that of angle A, and then we have extended that line till point S. We have named the intersection of CB bisector as S, and then we have measured CS, which was required by the question. So today we have seen that how to draw a triangle of SAS, which is two sides and one angle given, and how to draw the bisectors. So we will be coming up with the next video soon. Stay tuned.